Welcome to ArtMagic.
Learn how to draw a delightful two-tiered birthday cake in this easy-to-follow tutorial for kids. Begin by drawing the bottom tier of the cake. Use a light pencil to sketch a large oval shape for the base. Next, draw the top tier of the cake above the bottom one. Make the oval slightly smaller than the bottom tier to create a tiered effect. Now, let's add some details to the cake tiers. Draw gentle curved lines around the edges of each tier to represent frosting. It's time to add decorations. Draw small circles or hearts around the bottom tier to mimic sprinkles or candy toppings. For the top tier, draw a cute birthday candle standing upright in the center. Add a flame on top of the candle with a small triangle shape. To complete the cake, draw a simple stand or base beneath the bottom tier to give it support. Once your drawing is complete, trace over the final lines with a darker pencil or marker to make them stand out. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Use pink for the bottom tier and orange for the top tier to match the description. Add vibrant colors to the decorations and candle to make them pop against the cake layers. Finally, add any additional details or designs to personalize your birthday cake drawing. With these simple steps, you've created a charming two-tiered birthday cake that's sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. Keep practicing and experimenting with different colors and decorations to make each cake uniquely yours. Happy drawing! Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.